When will things return to normal after the COVID-19 crisis? Hello everybody, my name's John Dornoff. There's a dawn of a better life for you, your career, and your business. We're here to help you grow. On Mondays we post on personal growth, on Wednesdays we post on career growth, and on Fridays we post on business growth. Today we're talking about the COVID-19 crisis. Last week I talked a little about, some of the things that are going on about businesses adapting to the new change since reopening in my state. And of course, there's some states that are still on complete lockdown. The question is, how fast will we return to normal? Now, there's some people saying that we'll never return to normal. It's going to be like this forever. And then there's people that are saying, well, we'll be returned to normal anytime. What is the answer? Well, of course, nobody can truly predict when things will be back to normal where we want them to be. Hopefully it will be soon. Now, I mentioned some of the things you can do right now, last week, to really help you through these trying times. Innovate. The thing is, what are some signs we can see that things will get back to normal quickly? Well, for one, if you look back when China eased their lockdown, look what happened to tourism at the Great Wall of China. It exploded like there was never a virus. If you look at the beaches over Memorial Day weekend, they were busy. People were coming back out. So you see that, some things will be returned to normal quickly. Now I know there's been a lot of job losses, which can affect your business. But how many job losses are permanent, we won't know for probably 6 months to a year. But as Zig Ziglar used to say, and I'm not going to quote this exactly because I can't do it exactly the way he did, but basically what he said is, remember, your business is not good or bad out there. Your business is good or bad in here. It's what you think about. You need to be innovative. Look for ways, new opportunities. I'm going to link up to a blog or a YouTube channel from Pat Flynn. He's been doing what he calls the income stream since the quarantine started. And it's what he basically says is, this is opportunity. There's opportunities out there. We just got to make them happen. You can make them happen in your business right now. Depending on what kind of business you're in, there is ways you can adapt to today's crisis. So you may have to wait a while before things get back to where we want them to be. But being innovative, taking care of your employee, thinking about the customers, the type of customers you deal with, all of that will needs to come into play on how you adapt your business to the current conditions. Hopefully a year from now, we'll be all back to normal. Things will be going well. Can we predict that with 100% certainty? Of course not. But remember, think positive. Think positive. Think positive. It's not easy, but it's better than the alternative. There are opportunities out there. You may have to change some of the ways you do business, but you can do it, and we'll see you next time.